What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to move your distributor on a Honda 4-cylinder, VTEC or non-VTEC, single overhead cam, it doesn't matter. Same starters in the same location, the same bolts. Sometimes they can be slightly different depending on the year, but it's still the same location, same setup. First thing you need to do is undo your battery. Alright guys, once you get your battery out of the way, then you have 3 bolts on your distributor on. Take your distributor, mark it with a paint pen on top so you know where it's located as far as your timing marks. There's 3 bolts. One right there on the top, one right down here underneath, and then there's one right back there under the plug. You can get to it right here underneath the air filter hose. Oh, and by the way, those are a 12mm for those of you out there. Alright, let's get those removed. Alright guys, once you get those removed, then you simply unplug the wires on your distributor, pull it up out the way, and you can take it off and replace it. And just repeat the steps, putting it right back on. Hope y'all found this video helpful on how to remove your distributor on a Honda 4-cylinder. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, please do so. Y'all have a great day.